So welcome to a new video, and our first product of today is a Lego Star Wars X-Wing. The product was about $12.23, and here's the built together product. Looks really good. It has two minifigures and two astromechs. Also they have some extra pieces and stickers. Here we have a closer look inside to the second minifigure. It has a little bit of weird look, and also it has this function where you can open or close the wings. So next up we got minifigures. They were about $1.50 each from the anime Naruto. Next up we got some mini perfume bottles. They are about 45 cents each. You can refill them by taking off the top of the perfume bottle and then just pump it in, and so it fills it, and the spray is really good, and overall a really nice product for about 50 cents, so I recommend that one. Next up we got two Polo Hats. Also the quality here is absolutely insane. They're about $5.42. The logo inside the tag is really good. Also the metal thing says Polo, also in the back, and yeah, overall really good. Here the same product, only in a different color. We have a quick look. Or look really good. It's only some cardboard in there. And next up we got the Palm Angels tea. This Palm Angels tea was about $13.62. And here we can have a closer look to the tag. It's a good tag, looks like the original. And here Palm Angels in a size size XL. And here the print, really good. Also the teddy bear, insane. On the back I thought this writing was a little bit too small, but apparently it looks like that. Good quality. Next up we got Nike pants. I saw them on a friend of mine and I had to order them. They're about $26. The zipper is really good. The only issue we also saw is on the zipper, that it looks a little bit different, but the rest is 1-to-1. It's also true to size. In the back we have also some printing in the back. And yeah, the quality is absolutely insane. I wore them a few times and they're really good. Here we have essential shorts in the color white. The laces are very large, and here we have a look at the tag. Inside here is the size M, and also the inside tag looks good. The only issue I had is here on the outer logo in the front. Here we see some loose stuff, but you can cut it away with scissors. Also the essentials print really good in the back. There's only one bag. Overall really good. This was about $9.74. Here we have the Lucky Me I See Ghost hoodie from CPFM. This one was about $26. The print is really good. This one is a really baggy fit. we can see later in the video. This hoodie weighs about 1.2, 1.3 kilograms, so it's a heavy hoodie for the winter. I had to wait like 3 weeks till it get delivered to my warehouse. Here we can see that the only issue that I had with this hoodie, some loose stuff here. Here we can see the inside tag. On the back there's also some cam block, GNA November the 11th. Here we can have a look at the glasses. They were about $5. They're really cheap. And also this little stone was in this little hole, so I had to use a knife to remove it, and it left some scratches. So overall it's a shitty product for €5. And it's really big, I don't know. I don't like it. It came with this little towel-like shit and this pink box. I don't know. It's trash. Next up we got the Jordan 4 Fire Reds. The box looks insane. Also the tag, no issues, really good quality, looks like the real one. So here we can see some fire marks that are supposed to be there because the shoe is called Fire Red. And so now we can have a look at the shoe. This shoe is absolutely insane. It was about $55.73, and here you have a legit jack, even though it's not a legit jack anymore. Netting looks really good, also in the right direction. This Nike tag felt alright. Now we can have a look at the sole. The Nike tag is good. Also inside we can see the inside tag, looks like the original one. And also here the sole, Nike Air, looks good. Also here you can see you can remove the sole. Now we can take a look at the paper in the box. It also has this fire marks that look like it's burned through. Overall, absolutely insane quality. Here we have a quick look at the second one. Okay, here we can have a closer look to the netting. It's in the right direction. Also the stars are looking insane. And yeah, overall perfect shoe for the summer. Here we have the bubble, you can see through. In the back again, really good. Stitching is absolutely insane. Again, legit check. There's also the green sticker in the box. Now we see an on-body preview of the hoodie and the pants. Like I said, the hoodie is really comfy, really big, a little bit too thick for the summer, so more for the winter. And also the pants are very comfy, really good quality. Overall, insane items for the price. Next up we got the Essentials shorts in a size M, and yeah, they feel really comfy as well. They are supposed to be see-through a little bit so that you can see the pockets.